cumin seeds, coriander, water, tomatoes, salt, ghee, beans, chili, ginger garlic paste, onions, chili powder, paneer, cashews, spices, turmeric powder, coriander seeds. On the stove, take a pan, add 2 tablespoons of ghee, stir it, add paneer blocks, slightly stir them. Let them fry on one side. Turn into another side. Keep them aside. In the same pan, add onions, stir, add tomatoes, stir and cook for 2 minutes. Turn off the gas.
Meanwhile,
Consumed enough of a new secret explosive to blow up an entire city. Please, be careful.
Take a mixer grinder, add cashews, add spices, add coriander seeds, add cooked veggies, grind them. Take the mixture into a bowl. Take another kadai, add 1 tablespoon ghee, add spices, add cumin seeds, add green chili, add some chopped onions, add turmeric, ginger garlic paste, some curry leaves. Stir them well. Add the mixture. Mix it well. Add chili powder, salt. Give it a mix. Add beans. Mix them. Add cup of water. Give it a mix. Close and cook for 5 minutes. Stir once. Add paneer cubes. Stir once. Add coriander. Close and cook for 5 minutes. Mix it well. Serve into your plate.